So the Polestar 2 300 kilowatt powertrain, 78 kilowatt hour battery, 27 modules, and option of 19 or 20 inch tires, with two drivetrains, of course. That's quite impressive. This is really impressive car. It's kind of ticks all the boxes. Probably we still cannot see under the bonnet. So let's see. This is the handle, which is really nice actually. And let's see. Wow, so this is interesting. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Mazen.
Nice to meet you, man.
And you
Andy.
are? Andy.
Nice to meet you.
Andy, English.
I'm from Scotland.
Scotland?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice to see you here.
Nice to see you.
So, I was trying to sit in this car in Utrecht, the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it was
a massive line to get in.
Yeah, exactly.
We were very busy in it.
Yeah. So this car is getting a lot of hype.
Yep.
And it's ticking all the boxes. But you eventually gonna have to test it to actually be convinced.
Yeah. You want to test drive, so we'll be doing test drives at the beginning of next year too. So,
beginning of next year.
You can sign up and have.
Yeah. Sure, for sure. I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
The first question I have for you here is that what's the relation with Volvo exactly?
So Polestar have been a brand for many years with Volvo. We've been like the performance brand to Volvo.
Yeah.
So you can buy a Volvo with a Polestar performance engineered package on there.
Okay.
Now we're rebranding to be an electric car brand.
Yeah.
So we're owned by Volvo now.
Yeah.
But we're still going to be a standalone brand and make our own electric vehicles.
Yeah. Okay. But it's going to stay like this then. It's let's say later it's not just going to be a Volvo car. It's going to stay as a Polestar.
We'll still be our own brand.
Okay.
Yeah. But obviously we have a close connection with Volvo. We're not shy to say that.
Yeah.
We get to use some of their award-winning safety equipment and award-winning safety facilities to test the car in as well.
Yeah.
So it's a very safe, focused vehicle.
Yeah.
We're a performance brand, so we can focus on the performance.
Yeah.
Volvo's got years of experience making cars, so we've got their experience behind us.
Yeah.
And then this system here in the car is powered by Android.
Yeah.
So we left Google to do the software because they're experts in that as well.
Yeah.
So as all the experts are doing each part of the car, and then it comes together in perfect harmony.
This sounds like the car you really want to have, basically.
Yeah.
And
would you like me to give you a demonstration?
I'd love to. The last question I'd like to ask you. So are we, or maybe you can't answer this, but are we going to see Polestar engine battery in a Volvo then?
So right now we'll still be doing Polestar engineered software for Volvos and performance packages.
Yeah.
So you can buy a Volvo with some Polestar engineered packages on there as well. Still.
Yeah.
So we'll still be doing work with Volvo that way too.
Yeah.
And you can buy the new S60 Polestar, which it comes with a hybrid powertrain. So we'll be more looking at that side, but you get the same kind of brake systems and suspension that we do with this car.
Yeah.
We do similar kind of software and engineering to the cars like that also. But then we'll be focusing on full electric cars here in Polestar as well.
Okay. So let me just, before you start, let me adjust the seat.
Just down the side.
Yeah.
Shaped like
It's
a
the
seat.
standard front. Because whoever was sitting before me was quite tall. I'm 180, but yeah.
Get yourself comfortable.
Yeah. So I guess this a clutch here.
Just right down.
Yes.
And
Okay.
You can adjust it up and down.
Okay. Here we go. Yeah. I have to say, it feels like a Volvo.
Yeah, well, they're very similar seats. They're very supportive seats. And Volvo do a lot of work with specialists to get the seats very safe and very comfortable and really supportive for your back as well. So.
And the dashboard feels like a Tesla dashboard. Now, I'm sure it's not copied, but when you sit in Tesla, you have this really nice depth of the screen and the curves, and you have it as well here.
So this is your map screen.
Yeah.
This is your standard screen, so you get all the information that you need.
Yeah.
And it's very minimal. You get the main information, the important information there, and then you get your driver's assist screen, so then you can focus on the distance of the car in front. You have your lane assist with this car as well, so it'll keep you in lane. and you also have pilot assist too with this car too.
Okay.
And then we go back to the maps. I could give you a quick demonstration here now.
Yeah, is the software the same as the infotainment screen, or is it independent?
So this will give you a view of the map, so you will get a view of the map onto here
Yeah.
with the route, and then these screens are kind of...
So let's just it'll be Google Maps here basically.
Yeah, but you get most of the features in the actual app here, so this
Yeah.
is more where the Android system is focused on.
Yeah.
Because all the apps are on your screen here.
Okay.
You won't get like any other information of the apps into that screen. It will be based on the screen here.
Yeah. So this is the main home menu.
Yep, this is the home menu.
Okay.
This car, because it's powered by Android, you
Yeah.
have the Google Assistant in the car, so you can speak and command it to do things
Yeah.
for you. I can show you that in a second.
Yeah.
Google Maps is your GPS, and you have the Play Store here as well.
Oh, that's
so
lovely.
you can download all your apps that you'll be used to using.
Finally, you can download Disney Plus and watch all your Marvel movies. Can you actually watch movies on
There'll be
this?
some apps that might be restricted. So,
Yeah, yeah.
you know, there'll be more automotive based apps. So if it's not ready for automotive use, it might not be available yet on the App Store.
On the App Store. Okay,
So
yeah, I get
the
it.
App Store will look very similar to how you're used to, but they'll be more automotive based.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yeah.
there'll be some features and apps that might be different to your standard phone app
Yeah.
for safety reasons, as
Yeah.
you could imagine when driving. So,
Yeah.
but you download your apps, have them saved inside here in these folders.
Yeah.
You can rearrange the apps just like your phone.
Oh yeah.
And then you have these 4 tiles that we call them. So then on your home screen you have your 4 favorites.
Yeah.
So that you use all the time.
And you can select.
And you
which
can
one.
change what one you want to be on the home screen.
Yeah.
But then you can access your other apps from here also.
Oh, swipe. Okay.
You know, but we've thought about it, so when you're driving it needs to be more intuitive and easy to use. So
Yeah.
then these 4 on your home screen are very quick to get in.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to go somewhere, it's just as easy as speaking to the Google Assistant.
You can even get it on your dashboard here. This,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's nice.
So we could do a little example of this just now. So we have a route going just now, but I could stop this route and set up a new one, all by just speaking to it.
Okay.
So
yeah.
we
you,
go like this.
you have to say the magic word, of course.
Yes, of course, yeah. Maybe your phone will go off here too, is it?
Yeah, I have a Google Home at home, so yeah.
So we just go, hey Google, stop navigation.
Stopping navigation.
So we have 80% charge now, as you
Yeah,
can see there
yeah.
on the dashboard.
So what is the capacity of the battery?
78 kilowatt battery.
78, yeah.
From 100% we're looking at 500 kilometers.
Yeah, yeah.
But right now we've got 80%, 398. So we could check how far away Stuttgart is, and then we could see if it would be enough to take us there. So we
Yeah.
go, hey Google, how far to Stuttgart?
If you drive, it's 206 kilometers away.
So we
Yeah.
got more than enough to get there. It's only
Yeah.
206. We got
Yeah.
398. Okay, Google, take me there.
Navigating to Stuttgart.
Yeah.
So then this is where you'll be probably used to using Google Maps, so you
Yeah.
recognise some features here. I don't
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
explain that to you because I'm
No,
sure
no,
you know how to use it.
I'm sure everyone knows who's watching on YouTube.
So, you know, Google gives you all the live traffic reports. So taking all the live traffic into account,
Yeah.
Google's telling us from the 80% charge we have now, we'll arrive at Stuttgart with 23%.
Ah, that's nice.
So you get the percentage of how much battery you have when you arrive in Stuttgart.
And is this only for the Polestar then, or is it
this
on
is
the
a-
Google Maps? Because I can't remember seeing the charging.
Yeah,
because this is integrated to the
yeah,
car.
this is integrated, so the car's talking to Google Maps here,
Yeah.
so you won't be able to see this on your phone.
It's not like you can have it. You can tell your phone, "I have a car with a capacity of such
Yeah.
and such." It actually reads how much the battery
so
capacity
this
is.
is a more advanced feature from Google Maps that
Yeah.
we've developed with the car.
Ah, okay.
If you wanted to charge en route to Stuttgart,
Yeah.
you know, you just ask for charging stations. You could just press on the home screen here as well for charging stations,
Yeah.
but we can just ask. We go, okay Google, charging stations. So we get a full list here of charging stations.
With the availability.
Yep, so you get the
Oh, that's
availability
lovely.
and the type of station it
And the
is.
type, of course.
You
yeah.
know, here, this station's busy, so we know not to go there now. So,
Yeah, yeah.
for example, this one's just nearby, 8 minutes away. We just click here and add it to our journey.
Oh, that's
So
lovely.
then we got a charging
Because
station.
I was just reviewing the Mercedes EQC,
Uh-huh.
and they have also this option of showing you what's available
Mhm.
and what time it's open, what time it's closed, and
Yeah.
such. And so far we haven't seen any other car that was providing this information, which is very important when you have a battery, you know.
Yeah, especially EV vehicle.
So it's combined with a minimalistic UI of Google. It's this is exactly what you would want in a car, because you don't want so much clutter on your screen. Then you start having to click so many buttons to read, to actually get the information you want.
Of course.
So
that's why we've made it nice and easy, intuitive to use.
Yeah.
You know, the Google Assistant will command like air conditioning and heated seats. You can do that as well. So hey Google, turn down the temperature.
Okay, turning down the temperature by 2 degrees.
Just turned it down. You can also command Spotify, music apps, you know.
Basically, you're just driving and you're talking to Google.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then here you have your charge screen. So this car will charge fast charge at 150 kilowatts, 0 to 80% in around 30 minutes. And you can control that charge here in this line. And we recommend you charge it to 80 most of the time, and above 80% shall be used for longer.
Okay, so you can even set it to 40 if you want.
Yep, you can go all the way down to 40.
Okay, that's good. That's so this is the trunk. This is underneath. This is on top. You can see 12 volts compartments, net. Even for your ski equipment, you can put it in here. I'm not sure what that is. Do you know what that is?
It's for the luggage. To
So
separate it.
To separate the luggage.
So if you have a lot of luggage, or if you have something else that you want to separate, maybe food, a lot of food, for example.
Yeah.
When you go to the grocery store.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, and you can look. We can hold it. So you can split your trunk in two, basically. That's quite nice. Let's see what else. Close it. Up. Let's go in the back here. Oh, quite comfortable.
Okay, Google.
Oh, you have so much space here. So much space.
Navigating to Stuttgart.
And it's sitting 90 degrees for your knees. Your head might bump on the side, but it's not so bad.
So if you didn't want to,
You have panoramic roof,
say hey,
and there's quite a lot of space.
yes.
But you do have a really high
You could press here as well if you want.
high bridge in the
So what we have a good function here.
in the middle, which is unfortunate.
Arrive in Stuttgart and it tells us
And here you have a armrest,
when we
headrest.
arrive there, you know how much you're going to have, and that's always going to go up or down with the traffic, so it's very accurate reading. If you did want charging stations, this is easy to ask it. Okay, Google, charging stations.
Showing results for charging stations along your route.
USB.
So you get all the charging stations, the type of station it is, and the situation.
Let's see what else we can check. Fin shark antenna, charging port, AC DC, and the huge wheels. What do we have here? Continental 20-inch with a nice Polestar brake disc. That's it for the Polestar 2, and I hope to test drive it soon.